accessing and trimming a recorded Zoom meeting. When you record a Zoom meeting to the cloud, you can trim the beginning and ending of the recording from the Zoom web client. This video will go over accessing your cloud recordings, trimming them, and sharing a completed recording. You'll need to log in to carmenzoom.osu.edu to access your cloud recordings. Navigate to the menu on the left side of the screen and click Recordings. At the top of the Recordings page, ensure you've selected Cloud Recordings. You will see a list of all the recordings you've made up to this point. You can search by ID, topic, or keyword and refine the search to just specific dates. Each recording features a topic, ID, start time, file size, and auto delete in column. We'll do more with the share and more buttons another time. For now, click on your recording under the topic column. Click on the thumbnail of the video. If a transcript already exists, it will appear on the right side of the screen. Look at the bottom of the playback window. On the right, notice the scissors icon. Click this to enter the trimming mode. Two sliding buttons represent the start and end of the playback range. To move the start of the video, click and drag on the button at the left or head of the timeline. To move the end of the video, click and drag on the button on the right or tail of the timeline. When you're done trimming, be sure to click Save. But notice that you can change the placement of the buttons again. Zoom keeps your entire recording intact and only adjusts the playback range of your video.